when taking full accountability of your life with all of the deficiencies that you have may be the most painful thing that you do when you look at yourself in the mirror and say, this is my fault.
This isn't a hack. This has to be in you. Something in you has to wake up. And usually the only person that can wake it up is you.
Never fear a storm. Learn to dance in the rain.
The bottom line is, no one's coming. No one. No one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise. It's up to you.
So in other words, nobody cares about you but you. Nobody can make you successful but you.
Heaviest things in life aren't iron and gold, but unmade decisions. The reason you are stressed is that you have decisions to make and you're not making them.